Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and I have an exciting video to show you guys. This is the Amazon Echo Pop. And so I got this just recently today, and it came in just a few hours ago. Thank goodness for Amazon Prime. But this is the new Amazon Echo Pop, where you can actually use Alexa. It's just like the Echo, but I saw it, I was like, man, this is so small. It has a nice speaker in there, and it has so much functionalities. Like, I've never owned an Amazon Echo product before, so this will be my first time, and I'm excited to share this with you guys here in this video today. But really, let's open it up and take a peek at what's going on. Ooh, so it tells you right in here, the Amazon Alexa 2, just plug it in. Simple as that. So when you are opening this up and actually holding this, it is so light. It weighs maybe, I gotta say, half a pound. Plus, minus for volume. I believe this one in the middle here is the mute button. And then I see 1, 2, and 3 microphone holes here as well. And in the box, you also get a few more items. Looks like you get charger. You can plug that in. And then also get some booklets, some important information. Boink. And then you have the Echo Pop Hello, Bonjour, Hola. So this is pretty neat. Meet your Echo Pop. So it has on here the middle piece, which is the microphone, on and off. You have volume up, volume down. This has a light bar, and if you tap it, it will snooze the alarm. Interesting. And then they also have the power port in the back here as well. Pretty simple. And then this is the instructions on how to set up the Echo Pop, and we'll get to that here later. Ooh, and you have more of the light bars. You have blue, red, orange, purple, yellow, green. So blue is Amazon Alexa is listening. Red is the microphone is off and Alexa can't hear you. Orange is your device is set up mode and trying to connect to the internet. Purple is your device is in do not disturb mode. And then yellow is you have a new notification. Green says that you have an incoming call. All right. By default, Alexa does not begin listening until your Amazon Echo device hears you say, Alexa. All right. And then things you can try. Ooh, we'll try this too. So we'll try enjoying your favorites. So like Amazon, Alexa, play today's hits. Alexa, what's the weather today? Alexa, set up an alarm for 7 a.m. every Tuesday. And Alexa, call mom. Oh, interesting. Ooh, you can get answers. How do you spell beautiful? What time is it? You can control the smart home. So if you have a lamp, if you have a fan, interesting. And then it goes into Spanish. So pretty simple. Let's set it up. Let's see how it works. All right, guys. So I have it plugged in at the moment. And so right now it's on a blue, and it's actually going in a simultaneous pattern here. Interesting. So I don't know what this means. It says on the booklet here, oh.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app d'Alexa y sigue las instrucciones. Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Whoa, that's a pretty nice sound. I like that. Okay, so it's on orange right now, and so it's telling us that it is in setup mode at the moment. I don't have the Amazon Alexa app. I'm gonna download it and I'm gonna put my phone right here for you guys. Hey, looks like we got some work to do. And so I have the Amazon Alexa app on my phone. We're gonna hook it up to the Echo Pop. Let's rock and roll. So it says here, do you want to set up the device? Hit yes. So I'm gonna hit yes. What is it gonna do? It's gonna search for a device. It should search. Ooh, Amazon Echo Pop is ready for setup. All right, agree and continue. And then it's gonna search for the Wi-Fi. That's it. All I did was just put in the Wi-Fi password for my Wi-Fi, and then it just says your Amazon Echo Pop is now connected. Continue. 3 things to know. So it has 3 feature buttons, up, down, and mic off. To snooze the alarm, you tap the top once. This only works when your microphone isn't muted. So this is the mute, right? And it doesn't work to snooze the alarm. You have volume up. Ooh. Ooh. You see that? The light? It goes up. And it goes down. Ah. That's pretty cool. Okay. Continue. We're going to put in English. And this is going to be, let's just say my bedroom. Press play to hear how it sounds.
Lucky.
Oh. Can you change that? Like, can you have like a more softer tone? Like, lucky.
Lucky.
Yeah, it works. Nailed it. Set up voice ID, huh? Okay. So, well, let's skip it for now. Let's skip that. What's the weather?
The current weather is 39 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly clear skies. Tonight, you can look for just a few clouds in the sky, with a low of 30 degrees.
Dang, Alexa. You so cool.
Thanks. You're pretty cool yourself.
Dang, Alexa. How do you say I love you in French?
I love you, in French is Je t'aime.
Je t'aime. There you go. Ooh, this might be another one. Alexa, how do you say I need to get water in French?
I need to get water, in French is J'ai besoin d'eau.
There you go. My goodness. This is awesome. And it says here it has Amazon Sidewalk. So it's shared network that helps compatible devices work better at home beyond the front door. If Wi-Fi is lost, Sidewalk enables certain devices to stay connected. So what this tells me is that it uses a small portion of the internet bandwidth to provide these benefits to you and your neighbors via Sidewalk bridges, participating Echo and Ring devices, including this one. This is pretty cool. So you can use this as a Wi-Fi booster for your home. So if you leave this downstairs or if you're in a certain area, it can help other devices get like basically a signal booster. Bam. Enable. Help find things with Sidewalks. You can help neighbors find pets, important items connected to Sidewalk by sharing approximate location of this device and other Sidewalk bridges you own. This setting will apply to all of your supported Echo and Ring devices that are linked to your Amazon account. You can update the setting anytime. I will disable. Yes, I don't know. Let's go. Get started with Amazon Alexa. Dude, look at this. You can communicate with it. Let's set up an alarm. That's one of the things that we should do is to set up an alarm. So I'm going to do this. Hey Alexa. 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 Are you there? What's going on here? Alexa. Oh, there it is. Alexa, can you set up an alarm for me at 4:30 a.m.? Hello? What's going on? Alexa, set up an alarm for me at 4:30 a.m.
Alarm set for 4:30 a.m. tomorrow. Would you like this alarm set for every weekday?
Every weekday, please. Boom. Done. Done. Look at that. Let's see here. What's another good one? Let's do this. Alexa, can you play my Spotify music?
To listen to Spotify, enable the skill and link your account. I've sent the details to your Alexa app.
There you go. See? Spotify. But we're not going to play music from Spotify because it's copyrighted. So what we're going to do is we're going to play some music that YouTube gives us, and we can test out how good the speaker is. So we got something here, guys. I connected, and I am going to see if we can put some music on that isn't going to flag me, just a random one. Okay. Turning it up now.
To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy.
It's not bad. It is not bad at all. One cool thing that I saw on here is you can change the audio setting. You can have a deeper bass, deeper mid-range, higher treble. So you can customize all that inside the Amazon Echo Pops app. Very cool. You also have LED display, so you can make it brighter or dim if you wanted to. Ooh, I want it really bright. Keep it bright. You can pair a subwoofer if you have multiple speakers. So it looks like there's multiple things you can do on your Amazon Echo Pop here. Now, I also have a link down below where if you would want one for yourself, it's actually on sale at the moment. And so if you want one for yourself, I do have a link down below where you can get one. And that way you can really test it out and check out the new Amazon Echo Pop. I think it's pretty cool. This is actually really neat. Handy, it's small, portable, and it really packs a punch when you are playing some music around where you are, really. And you can also hook up Wi-Fi connectivity. You can hook up Bluetooth connectivity. I have my phone connected to it as well. I have my iPad connected to it as well. And you can have it paired up with multiple services. So if you have a Ring camera, if you also have another Amazon Echo, if you have any devices in your home that's by Amazon, it can be made as a Wi-Fi range extender, which is actually really cool. Shares the devices and shares the connections to other people in the neighborhood or even your home, which is actually pretty nice. So the Echo Pop is pretty small. It's sleek. It can fit, like, I have pretty medium-sized hands, and this is pretty thin, pretty small. Like, it's not bulky at all. It's flat, and you can just take it anywhere with you. There's no handles on it that you need for it. It's not bulky that, you can't take it with you. And this does have multi-language support as well. And so looking at the booklet here, it has 3 different languages that you can choose from. So obviously English, another one Spanish, and then French. So if you do speak any of these languages, hey, this might be actually a really good device to have in your home if you want that smart home automation system. Now, this has many use cases and applications for almost everyday things. If you're looking at everyday tasks, you can really shine by using the Amazon Echo, and you can use it for alarms, you can use it for reminders, checking the weather, and really making phone calls. The best part too is that it's a pretty loud speaker. And so if you are trying to showcase some entertainment, play some music, like there's music streaming, playing audiobooks on here, and you can also command radio stations with just your voice. So if you have any other devices that's compatible with Amazon Alexa, like the smart light bulb, if you have a plug-in, if you have like shades, blinds, draperings, awnings that can go up and down by itself, like you can tell Alexa to really do all of that and automate your home just by saying Alexa. Now, if you're the type of person that is trying to automate things and keeping things really in an organized fashion, you can also make like shopping lists. You can make, calendar reminders, set calendars up for you, organize things for you. This can do that for you as well. So you don't have to get a very expensive item or do it manually. Amazon Alexa here can help you with a lot of that. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. I really wanted to show you guys, unbox it and review it for all of you today about the Amazon Echo Pop. This is a new device that just came out not too long ago, and I think it's really cool and how they're really putting a lot of Amazon product on the shelves as well to really automate the things for consumers, tech guys like me, and really now you can experience it for yourself. Make sure to check the link out in the bottom below if you have any comments about the Amazon Echo Pop. If you bought one, let me know. I will love to hear it. But until next time, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Peace.